Is this working? Yeah.
YouTube, what's going on today? Never done a vlog before. I've been meaning to do one for a while just because I'm always on the road. I'm gonna be heading to Sedona now for the next few days. Gonna meet up with some friends. It's gonna snow, so that should be pretty sweet. If you don't know who I am and you're just like scrolling through YouTube, oh, some random guy right there. Like, what the hell are you doing, man? Why do you have a camera? He's looking at me. Oh, this is awkward. So of course I started off the trip by, you know, hitting Chipotle and Starbucks and some other stuff. It's pretty necessary. Sipping on my, you know, all right, enough goofing around. It's time to go, baby. Oh, it's recording. What's up? Oh my god.
Damn, dude.
Yeah. We're about to go on a hike to fucking, what's it, Boynton Canyon? I don't think I'm supposed to drive with this thing on while as wide as I can go. Oh, there we go. It's a little better.
That's much better, yeah. That's a lie.
What's up? All right.
Sick. Oh yeah, dude.
It's so snowy. All right. Let's go on a little hike. Austin, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
You having a fun day?
Oh, snow. What is this?
I don't know, bruh. Damn. I think I got these spikes on.
I forgot mine after all that.
Yeah, dude. It's like some cactus thing covered in snow. This is like so weird, man.
Hurry up, you schmucks.
Stop vlogging! Stop vlogging! That's all I hear him say. Oh, I'm getting some snow on my lens now. It's starting to get kind of toasty. I'm probably gonna have to start delayering here, taking some clothes off, you know? Could you imagine just like living like right here? Oh.
10 inches.
This is so cringy, dude.
Here. Look at us filming on an iPhone. Damn it, I couldn't find you. No, I'm in the video, so you guys are cool.
So we made it to this cave pretty gnarly. I'm cold. I had to strip down.
Breaking under the weight of the.
That's crazy. Sick, dude.
Sick.
Gnarly.
Brad.
Tubular.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We made it back. My feet and my pants pretty soaked. Check that out. I'm slowly but surely switching over to my shoes because socks are completely soaked. Yeah, should have worn the right boots, but I didn't because I'm an idiot. F it, yeah, let's just leave it back there. It's the quickest way to dry your socks, except for I need to like not have my window be as foggy.
I just got one of those, and
Since we got so wet, it like bled through.
It's a dope rig. This is Gladiator, dude. Max Trax tent. 37s. That car over there.
Yeah, what's the name?
LP.
What's the plan?
Oh no.
I heard
Good
pizza
beers.
getting thrown around.
I heard pizza.
There we go. What's up, guys? So this is probably gonna be very low quality, but we're getting up for who was that? The hell? We're getting up for sunrise. It's like 5:30. We're gonna be doing a hike. It's cold, but it's not Coldest I've ever been for anything. Just gotta fire up my car and be on our way, you know? Should be pretty fun. As a photographer, you pretty much have to do sunrise. I don't know if this video quality is gonna be good, but oh well. Just pack in my car, put some shit in it, and then we will be on our way. Yeah, so we're shooting, see that rock out there? We're taking photos of that.
Okay.
From like a distance, basically. So the gate to the other trailhead was closed, probably because it snowed overnight, right? It's a winter wonderland out here still this morning, and we're gonna be doing this hike, which is probably a 10th as long as the other one. Super sick. Cactus with snow. It's kind of crazy. I think it's so cool that these cactuses got snow on them. It's really weird. I've been here in the summer a lot of times, and it's hot as heck. Hot as heck. Yeah, it's hot as fuck.